What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have the 2025 Range Rover SV back. Now, we did do an episode prior on the YouTube channel, but we did only a couple little things. Some lowering components, a Quicksilver exhaust, but now it's time for the bigger things. So in this episode, we've already done everything, all the work is done, but I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek as to what has been done to this vehicle. So to start off, we have our 1016 Industries body kit for the Range Rover SV. Along with the body kit, you gotta give it some new shoes. So we gave it some Vossen UV-3 wheels in a 24x11, and they are wrapped in 295/30 R24 Toyo tires. Now, let's cue the montage so you guys can check out this Range Rover.
Saddle blade.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's video of the update on the Range Rover SV. I know I loved seeing this body kit go on, but as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you thought about the Range Rover SV and its 1016 Industries body kit with the Vossen UV-3 wheels. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.